Premium tools and services to consider. Among the premium tools and services to consider, we have Instapage.com. Instapage is a tool to simply create landing pages in a few minutes with a professional appearance. Some of its features include A/B testing tool, customizable templates, integration with autoresponder services, integration with Google Analytics, works with WordPress, mobile responsive, and works in the cloud. Its prices are basic $29 a month, professional $55 a month, and premium $127 a month. Unbounce.com. Unbounce is a tool for making and testing landing pages to increase your sales if you have no design knowledge. Some of its features include: it's simple to use, mobile responsive, publish to any domain, video widgets and backgrounds, customized with drag and drop, works with WordPress, and integrates with anything. Its prices are Essential $79 a month, Premium $159 a month, and Enterprise $399 and up per month. Leadpages.net. Leadpages is a web application to quickly and easily create any type of landing page you can imagine to get quality leads and increase sales. Some of its features include fast and simple, unlimited domains, easy to integrate, A/B test and easy analytics, responsive, and lead capture pop-ups. Its prices are standard $25 a month, Pro $48 a month, and advanced $199 per month. LandingEye.com. LandingEye is an effective tool that helps you easily build landing pages oriented towards conversion. Some of its features include over 100 templates, create a form to collect data, integrate with any system, A/B tests, manage database, and you can analyze the results. Its prices are standard $39 a month, Pro $79 a month, and Premium $109 per month. Wishpond.com. Wishpond is a marketing automation platform which has a tool to build attractive landing pages among its applications. Some of its features include lead generation forms, real-time analytics, publish on your domain, WordPress plugin, and publish on Facebook. Its prices are starting out $49 per month, everything you need $99 per month, and rapid growth $199 per month. Subjectline.com. Subjectline is a tool that helps you test any subject line to avoid problems at the time of delivery and marketing. As a result, it helps you increase conversions. Some of its features include: it is easy to use and it's free. Phrasee.co. Phrasee is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to create effective subject lines that sell more. Some of its features include: generates your subject lines, generates body copy, generates calls to action, and predicts what your audience will respond to. This tool is free. TitleGenerator.com. As the name suggests, Title Generator is a tool that helps you create titles for email marketing campaigns. Some of its features include: generates 700 titles with one click. It's simple to use, creates catchy headlines, and creates email subject lines. This tool is free. Iterable.com. Iterable is a platform that allows you to create campaigns to keep subscribers engaged by sending email messages to your users through any channel to increase your sales. Some of its features include segmentation, automation, customization, A/B testing. You can create workflows and beautiful templates. The price of this tool depends on the number of users and messages shared. Email Studio, Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Email Studio from MarketingCloud.com is an email marketing tool which allows you to easily create a customer segment, design a campaign, send emails, and generate reports quickly. Some of its features include dynamic content, profile attributes, simple automated emails, email tracking and reporting, and distributed sending. Get in touch with them to learn the price of this tool.